Welcome to the Visual SEO Studio tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to install the piece of software. From the official website, let's download the setup program. In my case, the Windows version. Once completed the download, click on the setup program. I'm using an English version of Windows, so texts appear in English. If I wanted to change the user interface language, I could choose among several options. When installation has completed, it will launch Visual SEO Studio. As you have seen, it just took 30 seconds. Thank you for watching.